Welcome to eBLACKDOG.com and the eBLACKDOG Sentinel module for mobile selfie attendance and workforce compliance ERP for manufacturing industries, factories, industrial plants, warehouses, and corporate campuses. Have you ever wondered whether your current workforce management software can answer these questions? Is your employee really working at the assigned factory, plant, or project location? Is the same employee marking attendance at multiple locations on the same working day? Can you instantly verify that your 30 or 3,000 employees are still within the authorized factory or industrial campus? Can your system automatically place alert calls requesting employees to verify their presence? Can you trigger random or scheduled verification whenever your organization decides? Can you digitally verify all this using facial attendance, GPS location, Geo-Fence, and date and time authentication? Can your security software automatically call and verify whether your security staff or guard are alert, on duty, and within the campus? Every day, industries depend on hundreds, sometimes thousands of employees working across factories, production units, and multiple locations. Managing attendance is important, but digitally verifying your workforce whenever required is even more important. Introducing eBLACKDOG Sentinel. Developed by Nissi Infotech, serving businesses since 1997, an intelligent workforce compliance ERP designed to digitally verify your workforce and improve operational visibility. eBLACKDOG Sentinel has the following features: mobile selfie attendance, GPS location verification, Geo-Fence validation, date and time authentication, eBLACKDOG CPV, campus presence verification, real-time reports, Excel export, centralized monitoring, plus advanced features enabled based on organization requirements. On-demand GPS and Geo-Fence verification, advanced attendance management and prevention of duplicate attendance integrated with eBLACKDOG Payroll and Payroll Pro, automated alert calls, random and scheduled verification, security guard patrol management, QR code checkpoint scanning, escort management, panic/emergency sauce, incident reporting, fire reporting. Introducing eBLACKDOG CPV, campus presence verification. Need to verify 3 employees or 3,000? eBLACKDOG CPV can automatically place alert calls requesting selected employees to complete facial attendance verification. Verification can be initiated instantly, randomly, or at scheduled intervals based on your organization's policies. Within seconds, the system digitally verifies identity, GPS location, Geo-Fence, date and time, creating a digitally verified campus presence verification CPV record. From attendance verification to workforce compliance to payroll automation, everything works together in one powerful platform. eBLACKDOG Sentinel, eBLACKDOG Payroll, eBLACKDOG Payroll Pro. One platform, one workforce, complete control. Call the numbers on your screen today, or email us, or visit our product website, www.eblackdog.com. or our corporate website, www.nissiinfotech.com. Nissi Infotech, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. Thank you for watching.